how much do air wipes cost? Now, air wipes are a very useful tool for drying and cooling extrusions, extruded products as they pass through a circular air blade. They get dried and cooled very effectively. They have no moving parts and require no power source other than compressed air. They're very efficient in that point of view, but how much do they actually cost? Now, it's quite a diverse product range. They vary from very small 3/8 inch products all the way up to big 11 inch products. There's quite a variation in the cost of the units themselves. So there's three factors that affect that cost. First is size, second is material, and then thirdly it's the extra features that you'll want on there. Firstly, let's look at size. A small 3-inch air blade in our aluminium material, which is the most basic material, would cost £267. A larger 3-inch blade in the same material, aluminium, would cost £646, and then a very large 11-inch blade would be £3,801. This is at the time of recording. They come in the following sizes, so 3/8, ½ inch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 11 inches. So there's quite a range there. That price range for aluminium varies between £267 and £3,800. The next factor is material. We also make these in aluminium and stainless. These have a stainless hose on them. Basic aluminium ones have a rubber hose on them. For higher temperature applications, we may want to have a stainless hose on them. And then we do an all 316 stainless version as well. If you take the price for a basic aluminium one and turn it into one with the stainless steel hose, that'll add about 20% more than the basic aluminium price. And then if we take a pure all 316 model, we're about 2.5 to 3 times the cost of the equivalent aluminium model. So for example, a 3-inch ring blade in aluminium, as I mentioned before, would be £646. Aluminium with stainless steel hose would be £926, so around about 20% more. And then in pure 316, it would be £1,969, so just over 3 times the price. The final factor that affects cost is the extra features. Basically, these would be either air filters or air regulators that you can add to the air wipe. And these would normally be at about £150 each to the cost. So with an air filter and an air regulator, you add about £300 to the base unit cost. So in conclusions, all in all, these are very, very cost-effective devices for cooling extrusions up to around about 9 inches in width. Even though you get 11-inch ring blades, you still got to have a little bit of a gap between them. So realistically, you can cool all dry extrusions up to about 9 inches. They're very, very cost-effective, especially when compared to other methods. They're also very, very easy to install. They don't take up an awful lot of space. And all you really need to do to get them to work is have a decent air supply. And we've covered what you require in terms of air supply in another video.